Hi, this is Ellie Avram and you are watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
When you were just doing the show and your interaction with Salman were I think majorly talked about, and then people were that he's totally smitten with Ellie Avram and a lot of other stories that kept on coming out. I'm sure that you must be tired of that as well because there's so many of them all the time. But there was a lot of speculation that maybe you'll be doing a film with Salman Khan. So and
I'm sure inshallah hum karenge. You know, when the time is right, तो मुझे लगता है हम करेंगे.
Inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
ये आप बहुत चलने वाले हो. Okay, so but somewhere this you were there at the Ganpati Visarjan of at Salman's building as well, and you've known to be close to him, and I think he's extremely fond of you as well. You also said in an interview that you wouldn't want to discuss in public space what the sort of advice that Salman Khan has given to you.
Yeah, you know, there was this just one question, and I just feel that that's a very private kind of thing. You know, it's not that that I want to be rude in some way, saying, you know, no, I don't want to share, but I just feel that's something very personal, you know, why would I sit and discuss and be like, hi, he's saying like this and that, you know, it's all I can say is just I'm very grateful for having, you know, a friend like Salman Khan, and that, you know, that he loves to help people. He loves to help as many people he can, you know. So to have that opportunity also, that, you know, get to hear advice कि उनको क्या लगता है कि, you know, so that's very nice. But then I just felt it was just during that interview actually with that lady where it was very
put in a certain way.
So if I have to share something that, you know, I can be like, chalo theek hai, I can share, which I think has been very beautiful for me. But that he said even after Bigg Boss, you know, I mean, after seeing my nature and all, and he has just, you know, told me this, that I should just make sure to always remain who I'm truly am, you know, to not change, because I guess maybe that happens with a lot of people, yet that you start to change, you start to become someone else, you know, get maybe carried away or too much air or pata nahi, you know.
Correct.
So
correct.
Yeah.
Just went down to earth and
always, you know, just be the way you are, the real person you are.
Okay, but has he given you a career advice? Because he is known to. There have been many examples that he has told his friends that maybe you should do with like he told Katrina, I still remember, and that after Kabul Express that you should, that she told him that this new director has come and he has offered a movie to her. That was New York, and Salman said that you should do it with him. He's a very very good guy for Kabir Khan, and New York went on to do very well, and she has done Ek Tha Tiger after that, and she has done Phantom after that with him. So he's known to have very sound career advice, which is based on practicality and a lot of wisdom.
Yeah, of course there have been these practical you know, questions that I've had regarding few projects, and where he has, you know, told his opinions and all. Yeah,
right.
I just felt during that interview we were talking about kis ko pyar karu and all like that, and then suddenly it's such a long thing to suddenly sit and talk about that, and I don't know, I just find it personal. It's you know, so I just felt it was just a little bit
it's okay.
कि अच्छा हाँ, उन्होंने कहा कि वो पिक्चर मत करो एली, ये करो, ये, you know, it's
Right. I think the advantage in video is that whatever you are saying, it's going across in the same way. Print many a times.
Exactly. Print many times they catch something and then they make something else.
Some headline.
Yeah.